Carry-on travel sounds simple until you're at the airport crowded gate, packed bins, someone's jacket and cowboy hat taking up space. Sound familiar? Packing smart is only half the battle. The other half, surviving modern air travel. After taking over 100 flights, I'm sharing real-world travel hacks that actually make carry-on travel easier, starting with how to fly under the radar. Many travelers avoid carry-ons, thinking it's too much of a hassle, but with the right system, it's smooth and efficient. For most trips, I bring 2 bags. 1. A roller carry-on. 2. A personal item bag that stacks on top. And always check in online before heading to the airport. You will skip the check-in counter and reduce the chances of your bag being flagged for size. Though some budget airlines now require counter check-ins to measure bags, so double-check your airline's rules. Pro tip, I keep a spreadsheet of airline carry-on limits, saves time and surprises. Security, I always follow this order. Roller bag under the belt. Personal item in a separate bin, crossbody and shoes, go last. Why? Because if your shoes come out last, you've likely grabbed everything else first. If you don't have TSA pre-check, keep your liquids bag and your personal item for easy access. Now, about boarding, gate agents start eyeing bags. Here's how to avoid getting flagged. 1. Use a sleek black bag, it looks smaller. 2. Soft-sided bags look less stuffed. 3. Recognizable travel brands like Travel Pro are rarely questioned. 4. Backpacks on your back, almost never flagged. And most importantly, don't stand out. No bulky jackets, hanging neck pillows, or giant food bags. Gate agents spot those first when looking to check extra bags. Blend in, be organized, and be nice. Gate agents, our human politeness goes a long way. If you're nervous, speak to a gate agent before boarding. Calm communication helps. A small chocolate or coffee gift card doesn't hurt either. Another tip, get an airline credit card with priority boarding, but choose a seat in the back of the plane. You'll board early like the front seat passengers, but head straight to the back for empty bin space and time to settle in. If airport chaos makes you anxious, this trick is a game changer. Next, aircraft types matter. Same airline, different aircraft, completely different bin sizes. For example, 737 to 700, tiny bins. 737 max, stackable, spacious bins. Always check the aircraft model before booking. You can use sites like Flytrader24 for that. But remember, our craft can change last minute. Flexibility is key. Bonus tip. The left side of the plane often has more bin space than the right. Why? Emergency kits usually take up space on the right side. Soft-sided bags equals flexibility. Hard-shell bags don't squish. A soft bag, push, angle, and it fits. This small difference can save you from last-minute gate checks. If the bin's full of coats and purses, ask the nearby passengers first. Or the flight attendant can help move personal items to make room. They announce this for a reason. You're not being rude by asking. Need extra legroom? Once you're in the air, move your personal item behind your legs. Just not during taxi, takeoff, or landing. A tall traveler tip from my friends, he swears by it. And he's 6'9". Can't lift your bag up. That's okay. Flight attendants aren't required to help, but many people are happy to assist if you ask nicely. Being short myself, I sometimes use the little aisle seat step. Yes, it exists. Traveling with a carry-on doesn't have to be stressful. Plan smart, stay calm, and be kind. Got tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. We're building a community of savvy travelers here. Thanks for watching and safe travels.